Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, we will write program, and this program is about how you will print your information on output screen and conversion from miles to kilometer, and how you will print area of square, and how you will calculate square and cube of a given number. Let's start. Program number 1 is write a simple program in Python that print your name, country, and your age on output screen. We need 3 information about your name, country name, and age on output screen. You will write here one function is print. Suppose name is computing knowledge, country equal to Oman, print age is 30. This is a simple and basic program. The purpose of this program is to how you will print a string or a message on output screen. Now I want to run this program. I will click on this run button, and this is my output screen, and this output is showing here name equal to computing knowledge, country equal to Oman, and age equal to 30. In this way, if you want to write more information, you can write it here. Okay, suppose I want to write here print. This is my first program in Python. Okay, when you will run it, this will display on name, country, age, and this is my first program. By default, program is moving from top to bottom. Okay, what is written on the first line, that will display first, then second line, third line, and so on. Write a program in Python that take an input in miles and convert it into kilometers and print the result on screen. Okay, what we will do, we will take an input. I'm writing here mile. Mile is a variable. Mile is a variable that contains the data type integer. Now I'm taking another variable with the name of kilometer, km, and km data type is float, that will contains the pointing value. Okay, and here I will ask user will enter the value, and value will be stored into variable mile. Will get value from e value. If we want to perform any arithmetic operation, then must be we contain the number format. For number format, we will use e value. Input, enter the values in miles. Okay, it will store into variable mile. And now what I will do, km will get value from mile times 1.609, because 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometer. This is km, kilometer, and then I will write here print. Suppose I want to write suppose 2 mile equal to this kilometer. 2 means I will display the first value of mile, comma. Suppose here when I will enter the value of 2, here I will write miles equal to km. In place of km, it will display the value. In place of km variable, it will display the value of km, comma, and in double quote, whatever I will write in double quote, that will display as it is, kilometers. Okay, now I want to run this program, and then I want to check the output. If I will write 1 mile, then it shows me 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometers, same as it is. Okay, if I will write here suppose 2, it will display me 2 miles equal to 3.218 kilometers. Okay, and if I will run and I will enter value here, suppose 25, and the answer is 25 miles equal to 40.225 kilometer. Okay. Next program is write a program in Python that take input of height and width. Now height and width, these are the variables, okay, containing the data type integer to compute and print the area of a square. The formula to compute the area of a square is area equal to height times width. Height, data type is integer. Width, data type is also integer. And then I am taking another variable, area. Area data type is also integer. Now I want to compute, I want to give the message, you want to show that message to user, enter the height, and it will store into variable height. Height will get value, e value, the purpose of e value to perform the arithmetic operations. E value, input, enter the height, and width equal to e value, input, enter the width. Enter the width equal to, now I want to compute the area. Here I can write the comment. If I want to write the comment, area of square is area equal to width times height. This is the comment, will not interpret by the interpreter. Okay, this will be ignored at the runtime. Area equal to height times width. Okay, now I will write here message print width. Width of square is in which variable? That is in width. Print height of square is in which variable? Square. In height, and then print area of square is in which variable? That is area. Okay, now I want to run the value. I want to run this program. Enter the height 6. Enter the width 5. Answer is width of square is 5, height of square is 6, area of square is 30. Okay. Write a program to find the square and cube of a given number and print on screen. This is the last program in which how many inputs are required? Write a program to find the square and cube of a given number. You will enter one number. Only one input is required. Okay, and then we will display the compare, then we will perform the calculation process, and then we will display the output. Number colon integer, int is the data type. Then I will ask here number equal to e value, enter the input, enter the value, enter the number, and number will be stored into variable number, and then I need to calculate square. Suppose I am writing sq, square data type is int, this is a variable, and cube data type is also integer, this is another variable. Now square will get value from number time number. Okay, number multiplied by number, it will give you the square. And cube will get value from square time number again. Okay, now here you will display the message print. The given number is into variable number, and then print the square. The square is the square of the square is into variable square. I will copy, Control C and Control V. The cube is in which variable? Cube. I want to execute this program. Enter the number is 5. it will shows me the message that given number is 5, the square is 25, the cube is 125. Again I want to run the number. Suppose 2, the given number is 2, the square is 4 and the cube is 8. Dear student, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and Jazakallah khair.